Good evening, fam. This video is too long to be a YouTube short and too short to be a full-length YouTube video. But what I want to discuss is what I like to call the 3-foot rule of weathering, or the weathering 3-foot rule, or whatever you want to call it. So right now, I have the camera pointed at some boxcars. 2 of them I've weathered. And let me turn around. And as you can see there's the 40-foot HiQ boxcar on the extreme right. That's unweathered. I used it for comparison. Then to the left, there is my 40-foot HiQ boxcar. Again, another Southern Pacific, but I did some basic weathering to it. And then next to that is an Athearn flat car, and I did some basic weathering to that. So when you look at it, 3 feet, you're like, that's not bad, pretty good. And that's the way I like it. Now here's the thing, if you're an older gentleman like me, as you get older, your eyesight, it starts to deteriorate. So let's move the camera 2 feet and see where we're at. Okay, now we're at 2 feet. Let me adjust this down a little bit so you can see a little better. Now we're at 2 feet. Still pretty good. Now I'm getting to the point where I'm going to have to put on glasses, but 2 feet. And really, when you think about it, when you're at a model railroad, a club, or you're running on somebody else's, pretty much you're looking at them at 2 feet. So, yeah, not bad at 2 feet. Now let's go to a foot. Okay, here we are at 1 foot. And this is where I think, it looks fine to me at a foot. And here's the thing. Without glasses, it looks great. I put on my glasses, and yeah, it looks really good. I like it. I'm happy with it. It works for me. Now, there is the potential for the rivet counter to come in and say, oh, wait a minute. You need to stipple here. Then you need to put on weathering powders and all that. I get it. Yeah, you know what? Pele Sobor came out with a book called Done in a Day, and I have that book, and it's packed right now. I'm not sure where it is, but I have that book, and it's basically model railroad like weathering projects and things you can do in one day, and that's what I like. You can really put in some time on weathering, and some of the the weathering channels on YouTube, like Dan's Custom Trains. That guy's phenomenal. He's like a freaking machine, man. And it amazes me just to watch his videos. But for me, I want to spend maybe 30 minutes, an hour on a boxcar, and that's it. But it works for me, and I'm happy with the results. So I'll take a few pictures, and you can see what I did.